the next point that you would suggest that Goodwood do next. We're helping out Goodwood Rolls-Royce.
Thank you for that intro.
This
Yes,
one's for free.
Yes, yes.
So, standard car doors.
Yeah.
But even at Crew,
Yes.
you had looked at the idea of doing carriage doors,
well,
or suicide doors.
Whatever you call them, if you hinge from
So
back here,
from there,
they go like that. You make a grand statement. It's like opening the curtains on a stage. You know, you pull the curtains back, bang. And
which the Rolls-Royce cars, when the Goodwood ones, when the doors open, is quite impressive. But you think they're missing a trick.
Well, the conclusion we came to was that it was worth doing it if you could lose this pillar.
That's the B pillar.
The BC post. That's the B post. That's the C post.
Oh, I see. Okay. BC.
Yeah, that's D back there.
All right. A,
so,
B, C,
yeah.
D. Yeah.
So if you can lose this and you have a ring frame which goes right round the aperture.
Yeah.
And then structurally, you don't need this. Now, engineering is a challenge for side impacts, no doubt, but the doors themselves have crash beams in them, and it would appear to be possible to link the crash beams together. You latch onto the cant rail and the sill, but I'm not saying it's easy. It's certainly not cheap, but if the owners can't do it now, I don't think they'll never be able to do it, because it must be durable if legality it doesn't stand in your way. But to me, if you can imagine this car now with this door out the way,
and no beach
and no, I mean, with our best will in the world, it's not a pretty sight. We've done our best we could with this trim, but you can't easily keep it clean, and you are literally looking at nuts and bolts. So it's the one thing which should be.
But there is a nice clean simplicity to it. Certainly, you've done as much as you can to make it.
I mean, it's perfectly eyeable.
Yeah.
And a lot of people wouldn't complain because they're so used to seeing them. But what I'm just mentioning is, while we're at this level, if you could see the interior in one visual hit, it's like opening the curtains and seeing this fantastic setting. Stage management.
Yeah.
At the moment, it's frustrated. Even if you go to the trouble of having this door opening the other way, you're still making this BC post stage center, and I don't see how you can really be pleased with that thing being stage center, because it's pure functionalism,
rather than
right in the middle of your prime scene.
Yeah, and in fact, sometimes when they do a model interior, they take out the B pillar just so you can see it.
Anyone rendering or drawing this or using computer simulation just lose the BC post, because it's
funny that surely they can at this stage.
Well, Lancia, the Aprilia, did it in about 1935.
Did they?
Yeah, you can on the Aprilia. You open both doors, suicide rear door. There is no BC post because they latch under the cant rail and on the sill.
And do they have sagging?
Well, I mean, they're still
around.
still around, you know.
Still going strong.
But with modern technology, I don't know. I won't try to cause too much of aggravation, but I mean, you've got new materials. I mean, I just throw titanium in. I mean, goodness knows how expensive it would be, but I'm sure a computer stress analysis would tell you yes or no. You know, are you in with a chance? And I'm not aware of anyone doing it these days.
There you go. Future decided for Rolls-Royce.